So let's get the stove turned on and get to making some dinner. I'm hungry. It's dinner time, so I thought I'd show you how I'm cooking, out of the camper these days. There's the ingredients for tonight's dinner. We're having a hamburger steak and what I call veggie taters. It's potato flakes and some kind of frozen vegetable. Tonight's going to be green peas and carrots, but it could be any vegetable that you like. And of course I have to have some half and half to cream up those potatoes and make them real good. This is my setup. I've got my little gas grill fired up. That's all I'm using for heat. Wave! So let's get the stove turned on, get that skillet hot, and get to making some dinner. That Crisco getting hot in there. Yeah, we're getting there little by little. Okay, I believe that's hot enough. Let's get her going here. Oh yeah. Hear that sizzle? Okay, my water's not boiling yet, but I'm going to go ahead and add the vegetables. I just kind of do things by eye, and that was about a portion of, normal portion of vegetables that you'd put on your plate. It's just the way I can do vegetables. I got to mix them with something. I'm not real wild about just plain vegetables, so I find it to be pretty good. And any leftovers, if there is any, sometimes I make a whole batch just to have the leftovers. They're pretty good to, in the morning, just kind of mash them down or press them down into a little patty. Fry them in the skillet till they're brown on both sides. Put a couple eggs next to it, over medium. Yeah, buddy, that's a good breakfast. Okay, it's not boiling, but we're gonna call it good enough. Alright, that's off. We'll throw our potatoes in here. And since this is stainless steel, I don't want to scratch it, so I got a little wooden paddle here. Okay, let's get her served up here. Get that out of the way. And if you're going to barbecue it, there's only one barbecue sauce that I'd recommend, and this is it right here. I could drink this stuff straight out of the bottle and be happy. So I'm going to put a squirt of this on the hamburger, not on me. Although, and just a little shake of salt too. Not a lot, I promise. I know some of you are going to be yelling at me. And there you go. Barbecue hamburger steak and veggie taters. Can't beat it. From Molly and me and the rest of the geezer gangsters, we'll see you next time, and happy meals.